Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel. We wanted to go ahead and do a quick review unboxing of the Zizo fast wireless charging pad. And there's different types of wireless chargers out there, and one thing you want to take note of is if your phone is compatible, first of all, with wireless charging. So to give you a recap, in the last year, 2018, or actually since 2017, well, we'll go back as far as Samsung. So Samsung started all this wireless charging technology. They were kind of like the pioneers in it. So they've been offering it on their phones since the Galaxy S7. So anything from Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge and newer, they're all going to be compatible with wireless charging. Same goes with Apple as far as their phones. They started with the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. So from that point to now, they're all supporting wireless charging. As far as the Google phones, the Pixel, they started doing it with the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. So all those phones just mentioned support wireless charging. One thing you want to take note of is if you look closely there, it's mentioning that this is a 10 watt output. You see that right there? 10 watts. Why is this important? Because there's different kinds of wireless chargers out there, and a lot of buyers have been very disappointed when they buy it because they just notice that it takes too long to charge. And that has to do with the brand you're buying. If you're buying a cheap knockoff brand, that's coming from overseas, I'm not going to mention any countries, but if it's coming from overseas, cheap, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So you want to make sure that your wireless charger has high speed charging. You want to have at least 10 watts. And to give you an idea of how quick this will charge your phone, if you took an Apple charger, the one that comes with the iPhones, this is 5 watts. Okay, so you're only going to get your phone charged as quick as the actual charger is. So this is a 5 watt charger. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not, but anyway, this is what comes with the iPhones, 5 watts. If you look at the iPads, those require quicker charging because, again, it is a bigger battery, so you want your iPad to be charged quicker. And you'll notice there, 12 watts. So you want your charger, your wireless charger, to be at least 10. This is very close to the speed of this right here. So that's telling you a lot right there. You'll be able to charge your phone in really fast speeds. Now, as far as how it looks inside, and these are about $20-some. They're not expensive, folks. For the price, to have the ability to charge your phone in quick speeds compared to not having that quick speed, it is worth it. You just drop your phone in there and you're done. So obviously you have this little tab here where you can take it off. Make sure you take this off because otherwise, I don't know, it might not charge it as quick. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but if you're using a phone cover, it'll work also. Just want to check with the manufacturer of the phone cover. One thing I do want to note is that the phone cover that I like to use is Supcase or Zizo themselves. Most of their phone covers will work with their wireless charger, just a heads up, but so do the Supcase as well. So just follow the instructions. You do have the cable that comes with it, a USB cable. But so there are different kinds of chargers. Even Zizo makes one that is not a high-speed charger, and you want to make sure that it'll tell you right on the box, fast wireless charging pad. If it doesn't have fast or quick, if it just says wireless charging pad, that's all it is. It's a wireless charging pad. So you want to make sure that when you go into wireless charging, that it is a fast wireless charger, high-speed wireless charger, quick wireless charger, anything that's telling you that it's fast. But again, you also want to look at your output. Okay, wireless fast charging pad, 10 watts. And there's your output, 9 volts. So if you multiply your volts times your amps, which is 1.67, that's how you get your 10 watts. So just to verify that here, output, okay, 9 volts times 1.1 amps. So anyway, just you're going to spend about $20 for these, actually about $25, give or take. But I'll post a link on the description because, like I said, there are different kinds of these. You want to make sure you get the right one that you know for sure will charge your phone in quick speeds. So you have different blocks. I prefer using the one that comes with the iPad because, again, when you take this out of the box, it's not going to bring the plug. So if you start using this plug, it's only going to charge as quick as this. But I like to use the bigger plugs. Now they do have these in 10 watts, and I have a couple lying around, so I'm going to use a 10 watt instead of the 12, just because I don't want to go over what the box says it'll charge at. I don't know, it's just trying to be safe and using precaution. But this is 12. I do have one just like this one that's for the iPad. It's not made by Apple, but it only goes 10 watts. That's the one I'm going to use with this cable and this wireless charger. So I'm going to go ahead and start using it today. And then since we do repairs, sometimes you're repairing a phone and you got another one that needs to be charged while you're repairing another one. And if it does support wireless charging, it's so much easier just to drop it on top of this and I have to fumble with the wire and all that and just get it charged while you're fixing another. So it's a nice little thing to have on your desktop if you're a repair person. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out and let everyone know in the future how well the charger goes with us. But with that, I want to thank everyone for tuning into our channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe down at the bottom. You'll see that little red subscribe button down there. And you support us by subscribing to our channel. We do offer videos here and there that may help you if you're a repair person or if you're just into phones and you're looking for reviews on products and different things that come out and you want to see what it's like or see an unboxing or whatever you'd like to see. Just let us know in the description below and give us an idea, and we'd be happy to review something for you if it's something you're looking into. So thank you very much for tuning into our channel, NYB Wireless. Have a great day.